Okay, pag-usapan natin ngayon dito is kung bakit hindi ako nagpo-post ng projection or longevity ng isang fragrance na nire-review ko. Number one reason na hindi agad ako makapag-post ng projection and longevity is dahil habang sinushoot ko yung video na yun, is yun lang din yung first time na naaamoy ko siya and yun yung first time na tinetesting ko siya. So, I do it raw palagi so I cannot give you the projection and longevity. Eh, na-spray mo naman na siya, ba't hindi mo masabi yung projection niya? First of all, pagka-spray mo sa kanya, that is the atomizer doing its work. Siyempre, pag na-spray mo na siya, hindi naman lahat yun mapupunta sa balat mo. It goes to your skin. And hindi mo siya makakonsider as projection, especially that the projection is based on how good or how does the fragrance project under your skin. On top of your skin pala, sorry. So, with that being said, masasabi mo lang yung projection niya once na natry mo na siyang gamitin or maamoy ng ibang tao and within a distance, maamoy ka agad nila, that is how you can determine the projection. Isa pa sa mga rason is sa weather or temperature ng room mo or saan mo gagamitin. For example, sa akin, wala akong aircon, I'm only using fan, and lagi akong pinapawisan. So, meaning, there's a tendency na yung projection and longevity niya is mababa when it comes to me. For example again, is paglalabas ako, nakamotor ako, sobrang maaraw, tirik yung araw, so sasabihin ko, yung longevity is around 2 hours lang. Maybe, dahil pinawisan ako, also dahil sa araw, mawawala talaga yung scent ng pabango. Last but not the least, it is primarily because each and everyone has different skin. When we talk about skin, it depends on your skin chemistry, on how does the fragrance react to your skin. Example ulit, meron akong fragrance dito na ang tagal niya sa akin, pero sa iba, hindi nagtatagal. And when it comes to inspired perfumes, medyo hit or miss talaga sila. Okay, I don't want to offend anyone. Extract the perfume, eau de parfum, eau de toilette. By the end of the day, they're just inspired perfumes. Hindi sila katulad ng mga niche and designer fragrances na sobrang talaga magtagal. And meron din naman mga designer or niche fragrances na ang bilis lang di mawala. Example dyan is si Aficionado. Para sa akin, ang lakas niya mag-project, ang tagal din niya sa blood ko. Pero when it comes to Father and Son, medyo parang nakukulangan ako sa performance. Ang, what do you call this? Ang weak ng projection niya and ang bilis niya mawala. And those are two different price points, which is Aficionado being cheap and Father and Son being expensive. So yun na nga, ayaw ko naman sabihin ninyo na, pinopromote niya kasi yan, binabash na yan. Ayaw ko ng ganun. Kasi subjective talaga ang performance kasi based yan sa sarili mo. Based yan sa user. So yun lang, sana naman tawag dito, maintindihan ninyo kung bakit ayaw ko nang maglagay ng performance except kapag SOTD kasi syempre sa akin na yun. Kaya nga scent of the day for myself yun. Review ko yun. And yun na, that is my experience, that is my explanation kung bakit hindi na ako naglalagay halos ng performance, ng longevity, and ng projection. So, I hope that answers the question. Maybe sa iba, naglalagay ako, pero by the end of the day, that is my experience and that is on me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and sana naintindihan ninyo kung bakit halos hindi naglalagay. Yun lang. Peace.